Hi guys, it's Amy Dabell, your Norwex independent consultant. I have some exciting news for you today. Norwex just launched a 3-day flash sale that runs today through April 21st, noon Central Time. So there's two great items, the cleaning paste and I have them open so I can do a demo, but our cleaning paste and our leather shine, which is one of my favorites. It's kind of a hidden gem. So the cleaning paste is made out of marble flour, coconut oil, natural soap. It replaces all of your harsh scouring type cleansers. The regular price is $34.99. It's on flash sale for $28.99. If you have kids, pets, busy lives, our house can get dirty, right? So it just is going to happen. So we need something easy that's strong enough to tackle those like tough cleaning jobs, but it's also easy on us and the environment, but it's just stubborn on that dirt, right? So easy on our pocketbook. This cleaning paste has replaced all the harsh chemicals in my home. So all those things I used to use in the bathroom that would burn my nose hairs. I mean, you can use cleaning paste on a variety of surfaces and with just a few wipes with a damp Enviro cloth, or if you have a tougher job, maybe a dirty oven or something else that's just needs a little bit more scrubbing power, you can use one of our sponges. I love it with the Speary sponge, like on soap scum and things like that. It does come in a solid, which means way less packaging, and it cleans and polishes in one application. It lasts most customers 3 years, but even if you go through it a little bit faster, it's still super long lasting, and a little bit goes a really long way. Makes a great gift too. I love how easy it is to use. It removes rust stains, hard water stains, scuff marks, permanent marker, dirt, grime, very little effort. I love using it in my shower because it very easily and quickly removes any soap scum or caked on dirt and grime, and it really gets the surfaces nice and clean. In that case, I use the Speary sponge. It quickly brings my stainless steel sinks and faucets to a high shine, erases scuff marks off walls and floors, scuff marks and issues, dirt, grime on ceramic tile, linoleum, laminate, and even your walls and doors. You know that area around the doorknob that always gets so dirty? I like using it in my sink basin, tubs, shower, floors and walls, countertop stoves, you name it. And I burn a lot of stuff. Okay, I'm not the best. I'm a good cleaner, but not a great cook. I burn things all the time. So this actually removes burn marks off your pots and pans, and it cleans your glass top stove. Like I use the Speary sponge, so great. We literally use this all throughout the house, but we also use it outdoors, like on our lawn furniture. My husband uses it on his car tires. We've used it on campers, and I have several customers who even use it on their boat. It's easy to use, just a swipe with a Norwex microfiber cloth or even a Speary sponge or any of our other sponges, and you're good to go. You can lather it up a little bit with a slightly wetter sponge, and for a little bit more gentle cleaning, you just simply rub it on the area to be clean and then wipe it away with the Enviro cloth. For tougher jobs, like I mentioned, I do use a sponge. Or I could use the Enviro scrub, Enviro sponge. This is a Speary sponge, but also the Speary net works great inside the oven. So let's move on to the second item, which is my favorite item for personal things, right? So this is our leather shine. It's normally $33.99. It's on flash sale for $28.99. So I like using this on all sorts of leather goods. They do, let's face it, over time, they lose their shine, their luster, and they start to show their wear. They might crack or fade or just not as supple when we buy them. Buying new ones is drastic in this day and age, and not to mention super expensive right now. I would much rather save my money and use the leather shine to have the leather items looking like new again. It smells so good. It's made of pure bee and canuba wax. So good. It cleans, restores, beautifies. There's no man-made waxes in it or harmful chemicals. It also has geranium and celery seed oil that moisturize it and give it a supple natural scent. It replaces the natural oils that leathers lose over time. It also waterproofs them. It moisturizes, it protects, it stops that cracking and fading, and restores them and protects them and adds moisture back. So again, no man-made waxes or harmful chemicals, no alcohol, no lye. You can use it on shoes, boots, purses, gloves. Let's see, we've used it on baseball mitts, belts, luggage, furniture, leather clothing, saddles, literally anything made of leather. You can also use it on rubber and hard plastic to restore luster. So it works great inside the car. It includes an applicator. So this is the applicator sponge. You apply it with the black side and then polish with the white side. And I'll show you how to do that. So let's get started. So the first thing I'm going to show you is our cleaning paste. I have my son's nasty baseball or basketball shoes. So I'm just going to give these a quick clean. So let's find a nice, oh, here's a nice dirty side. So all you do with your cleaning paste is give it a few swipes in that jar and then go to work. And you guys saw all those scuff marks when I started. I mean, this is so fast. Even kids can do it if you can get them to help you. So look how clean that is. So fast. And as I mentioned, you can also remove marker like from tile. I've removed marker from walls. I mean, you just never know what's going to happen in my house. So I'm just going to write Norwex on here super fast. And this is unfinished tile, so it is very porous and everything kind of absorbs into it. So again, you want to just get a few swipes and then quickly wipe away with your cloth. Leather shine, let's show you that. So I have my husband's work shoes, or I don't know, these might, maybe it's casual shoes. Look how grimy these look. So I'm gonna keep this one nice and dirty so we can use it for a comparison. Get that leather shine and just get a nice swipe with the black side of the applicator, which is kind of like a sponge. Just quickly wipe over the shoe and then flip this over on the white side to polish. Guys, this is amazing. When I was looking for something to do this demo with, I was almost scared to get these because they looked so bad. Look at the difference. This is how, oh, it smells so good. Great Father's Day gift. Awesome. Or Mother's Day gift. Hey, we like our things nice too. You can use it on belts, school belts, all that stuff. So, hope you enjoyed this video. Get in on these flash sales. They're amazing. If you have any questions, comment below and we'll get those answered for you. And I hope you have an amazing day. Thanks for watching.